Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix My Verizon app not working or opening on iPhone and Android. So here's a full guide for it. Fix one, check for a Verizon outage. Before troubleshooting, make sure Verizon services aren't experiencing an outage. If there's a widespread issue, you need to wait until Verizon restores the service. Fix 2, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. Restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. Fix 3, restart your phone. On iPhone, you can just turn the phone off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. On Android, press and hold the power button, then tap on restart. Fix 4, update the My Verizon app. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for My Verizon and tap update if available. For Android, open the Google Play Store, search for My Verizon and tap on update. Fix by force close and reopen the app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom or double press the home button, then swipe the My Verizon app away. For Android, you can open recent apps and swipe the app away, then reopen it. Fix 6, clear the app cache for Android. Just go to settings, clear apps, and then go to My Verizon, tap storage and cache, tap on clear cache and reopen the app. Pick 7, check for a phone software update. On iPhone, you can go to settings, select general, and then go to software update. For Android, go to settings, select system, and then select software update. Location may vary by device. Fix 8, reinstall the app. Delete or uninstall the My Verizon app. Restart your phone, download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your Verizon account. Fix 9, disable VPN or ad blockers. VPNs, private DNS, or ad blocking apps can sometimes interfere with the app. Turn them off temporarily and try opening the app again. Fix 10, contact your Verizon support. If the app still won't work after trying these steps, you need to contact Verizon support or access your account through the My Verizon website until the issue is resolved. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.